So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with you by doing a haircut demonstration. As you can see, we've pre-cut some of the hair to start off with. Now we have got slightly desensitized hair from lightening, and this is where ReGenesis is not also for anti-aging hair and for fine and thinning hair. The strengthening properties that are in ReGenesis also means it's ideal for desensitized, lightened hair as well. You'll notice all the models today that we've chosen to work on fine hair with all of our models. So what I'm going to do for you first with the haircut is I'm taking a section through on one side into a triangle point at the top of the ear. Now I'm going to keep the length that we have on the opposite side, but I'm going to create some asymmetry within the haircut. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to flatten out with some round graduation in through the side areas here, working with horizontal sections. And then take that so it sits in behind the ear tighter, and then this triangle is going to disconnect and drop so we have this beautiful point at the back of the ear as well. So it's just to give it a little bit more of a modern twist. So starting the haircut through the side area, I'm going to be working with nice clean precision and working with horizontal graduation. So taking my first section on a horizontal, I'm going to project my elevation out to 90 degrees from the horizontal line. I'm taking it into finger length, and my finger is running parallel to my section as well. So one of the things that we believe in very much is working with precision when it comes to fine, thinning hair or desensitized hair. Having that structure within a haircut is what will make the difference to create more volume, more thickness within the hair. So now I'm working up the head shape. I'm starting to drop my elevation down to 45 degrees below the horizontal line. That's so I can start to build up some weight within the haircut, and we can start to see a little bit of length building up through that side area so it follows the curve of the head shape. So keeping nice small clean sections so we can see our guideline as we're actually working through the haircut, and maintaining the 45 degree elevation and the finger angle running parallel to your section. One of the things that you will notice is the approach is very technical, but I have a very firm belief that if you have an understanding of what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how you're doing it, then that will make a difference to stimulating your creativity. How many of you guys would agree with that? Excellent. So what I've done on one side of this haircut is just taken one side off short. So I'm going to go through and just explain the rest of the haircut for you a little bit. So working through with that round graduation in the sides, you can see what that actually does is it really opens out the face shape as well. It's given them more instant cheekbones by taking that side off more too. So I've worked through the back section with some diagonal graduation in the bottom area, but maintained that one length line through the exterior to get the shape nice and strong through the bottom. Then continuing through with a round layer through the crown area that's disconnected from our diagonal graduation on the underneath section. That round layer then continues all the way through the side area to maintain that length through the one opposite longer side. So it's just a simple way of just giving a little bit of a change to the haircut that we've got there. But you can see how we've got a great deal of movement working throughout the shape. And how good is the condition? It's absolutely beautiful, the condition, considering it's pre-lightened hair. She was a level 6 naturally to start off with. And of course, it's just really beautiful, healthy hair. One of the reasons for that is because we actually worked using our Detox Scalp Mask, because one of the things in the ReGenesis range is it focuses very much on creating the optimum healthy scalp environment as well. So believing that a healthy scalp will create healthy hair is the concept that we're using in the ReGenesis range. And you can see how we've just got really beautiful fine highlights going through here, but also working with a collinear color technique. So the linear color technique is about taking curved sections and applying slightly deeper color in the roots and slightly deeper color in the ends. So we still keep that neutral tone through the middle area. If you'd like to know a little bit more about the linear color technique, guys, jump on my Instagram page, which is Tracey Hughes EDU. You'll see some of the new images that I've started to post that's based on using that particular technique as well. So just keeping that tucked behind her ears, showing off that round graduation through one side. We'll take a look at the finished result. Now guys, as we said, we're going to show some love for all our models. And this is Chelsea. Let's make some noise for Chelsea, guys.